Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change address on OnlyFans. If you are looking for a way to change your address on OnlyFans, then here is how you can do it. First of all, open the OnlyFans application from your app drawer, or make sure to log into onlyfans.com on a web browser. After you signed into your account, from the main homepage, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right hand corner. In the expanded menu popping up on the screen, tap on My Profile. Once you get to the profile page, tap on Edit Profile. Now, within the Edit Profile page, you should see fields where you can enter your address information. Here you will be able to see the location option. Simply go ahead and enter the new location for your account. After you are done entering the new location information, in the location text box, tap on the Save button at the top right corner in order to save your change. That is how you can easily change your address on OnlyFans account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.